Hi everyone, I'm Yashvi. I'm currently pursuing my BTech second year in National Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. In this video, we'll be going over some essential JavaScript concepts like variables, arrays, functions, and objects, and finally loops. If you're just starting out with JavaScript or want a quick refresher, this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end, as I'll also be sharing some sample code for each concept. Let's get started. Here I write a small code about variables and declaration of variable. Generally, there are three main variables that have been used in JavaScript: var, let, and constant. Var is a function which is used to declare or initial a value which is used to store the values. Variable is a var is a function scope that is in your block code. You can declare your variable or change your variable at any time, but let and const is both are block scope. That means you can change your value, and this is the topic I've been discussing. Here's an example declaring variables by using JavaScript. Var old variable, that is, you need to store a variable with in the name of old variable, and let is also used to store the value, and const is also used to store the value. But this const will, by storing the variable in const, you can change the value. Remember it. Var is function scope, as I said before. Const is also block scope, but once you assign a value, it cannot be changed. You have to use const when the value won't change, and let when you expect to modify it. And second topic is about arrays. Next, let's dive into arrays. Arrays are used to store multiple values. As shown, this is the arrays that I have written. Used to store multiple values in a single variable. In JavaScript, you can create an array using square brackets. Here you declare a variable array in JavaScript. That's fruit. Fruit is the name which you have declared the values which we stored. In this square brackets, you declare three values: apple, cherry, and console.log to print the fruits like array values. As we are all aware of, arrays are zero index, meaning the first element is at index 0. You can access the element and so on. It can go until the n-1. Access an element using its index like this, console.log fruits. We can also change the values or add new elements to the arrays using indices or array methods like push. And JavaScript declares some fruits 1 equal to mango, that is a mango which is stored in index number 1. Fruits dot push orange. Now you stored the index 1 orange. Here you can change it. Next, our third topic: arrays are super useful when you need to work with the lists of data. And our third topic is about functions. Moving on to the functions. Here it is, the functions topic. Moving on to the functions. Functions are a block of code designed to perform specific tasks. You can think of them as mini programs inside your programs. There are different ways to declare functions in JavaScript. Is the most basic function declaration. Function greet console.log hello, welcome to my channel. Greet, which is used to call the function. You can also pass values called parameters to a function. JavaScript function greet user console.log hello plus name. With this you can print the value. There is also an arrow function syntax, which is a shorthand for writing functions. JavaScript const tag, which is it is the function. Function helps to you write reusable code which makes your program more efficient. And our fourth topic is about objects, and here you can see the declaration of objects. Now let's talk about objects are a way to group related data and functions together. They are collections of key values pairs. Here you can declare an object like car equal to flower braces, brand Toyota, model Corolla, year 2022, start exam function, console.log, log car brand. Here you can call the function inside the object. Here you can add a new property and you can also update the year by using the function. In this example, brand, model and year are properties of the car. Objects and start engine is a method function inside the object. You can also add or update properties like this. Objects allow you to organize your data logically and efficiently. And the final topic of this video is about loops. Finally, let's talk about the loops. Loops are used to run a block of code multiple times. JavaScript offers several types of loops, but the most common ones are for loops and while loops. Here, how a basic for loop has three parts: initialization, condition, and incrementation. JavaScript loops help you handle repetitive tasks like iterating over arrays. For example, you can loop through an array like this. This will print all the item of the array, which one I'm showing here. This will print all the item of the array iterations. And that's it. We have covered variables, functions, objects, and loops in JavaScript. These are fundamental concept that you will use in almost every program you write. I hope this video helped you understand how these work together to build more complex JavaScript code. Thanks for watching.